Welcome back to another helpful tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to subscript letters in Google Forms, step by step. This is especially useful for teachers, students, and anyone creating educational forms like math, chemistry, physics, or even English. Sometimes you may want to write chemical formulas like H2O, math powers like 9 to the ninth power, or footnotes with small superscript numbers. The problem is that Google Forms does not include built-in formatting buttons for superscripts and subscripts, like you might see in Google Docs or Microsoft Word. But don't worry, because there's a very simple workaround that works surprisingly well, and you don't need any special software or coding knowledge to use it. So let's jump right in. First, open Google Forms and go to the form where you want to add superscripts or subscripts. You can either create a new form or edit an existing one. Now decide where you want the special formatting to appear. This could be inside a question, answer option, title, or description. Since Google Forms doesn't include direct formatting tools for superscripts and subscripts, the easiest method is to copy and paste special characters. You can use a table or website that contains superscript and subscript characters. These special characters are already formatted, so all you need to do is copy the one you want and paste it directly into your Google form. For example, if you're creating a chemistry question and want to write H2O, simply copy the small subscript number 2 and paste it next to the H. The same idea works for math equations. If you want to write something like 9 to the ninth power, you can copy the superscript number 9 and paste it beside the number 9. This makes formulas much easier to read for students and helps your Google Forms look more professional and organized. Another useful tip is to keep a small document or table containing commonly used superscript and subscript characters. This can save you a lot of time later because you won't need to search for the symbols every time you create a new form. You can even create your own reference sheet with numbers, letters, and symbols that you use often in your subjects or lessons. This method is very useful for teachers creating quizzes, assignments, and exams because students can clearly understand formulas, powers, footnotes, and scientific notation directly inside the form. It's also helpful for creating cleaner and more visually accurate questions in technical subjects. After pasting your superscript or subscript characters into the form, make sure to preview your Google form before sharing it. Click the preview icon at the top right corner to see how the formatting looks to respondents. This helps you confirm that all symbols display correctly on both desktop and mobile devices. One important thing to remember is that not every special symbol may appear perfectly on all devices, so keeping the formatting simple and readable is usually the best approach. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more Google Forms tutorials and beginner-friendly tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.